The bottoms of these old trucks always get rusty, and what you can do is get some rusty metal primer and just spray it all on under here, and it also will make the bottom of the truck look better whenever you are out and you look underneath the truck instead of seeing all the rusty metal. So that's already been done before today. Noticed up here there's a lot of brittle rusted metal. I'm gonna get a some type of a screwdriver or tool and just break off the loose pieces of rusted steel, and then just give it a little touch up with that paint to help give it some protection. As you can see, everything's been painted, even the struts underneath the truck. So you happen to look under there, they look a lot better than just seeing rusty old metal. Got a big screwdriver here. Now when you do this, be careful for your face and especially your eyes, that you don't get any of these chips fall down and they will get into your eyes. So keep your face outside of the truck and then just start tapping it to get off the loose pieces of iron or pieces of steel that are going to fall off anyways at some point, because it's pointless to paint over those and waste the primer paint on just that. You want to clean it up the best you can and give it a light sanding too. When you get it all cleaned up, decent, and try to, like here, there's still some original paint, and try to sand that down a little bit. Then, as far as anybody seeing it and being oversprayed, it doesn't really matter because it's underneath the truck, so nobody's going to see it. This is just to protect the metal and try to slow it down, the rusting. Start spraying it on. Get down as far in there as you can because there's rust going further down. Just let it dry a little bit. Give it a couple coats of paint anywhere you see rust at. And then we'll go to the other side and do the same thing. After you give this side a couple coats, then turn around and paint the other side. Cover up as much of the rust as possible with the paint. Come to the other side and you do the same thing. Start whacking it with a screwdriver. And also make sure on the other side that you pick up all of the pieces of rusty steel, because there's a risk they could puncture the tire, and also it just makes a mess of the driveway too. So don't leave this stuff in your driveway. This side looks like it's worse than the other side. Again, keep your face away from this while you're doing this. You don't want to drop these things in your eyes. Do this carefully so that you don't cut yourself. Turn around. We'll paint the other side as well. And that's it. Then you can go around like this here, these steel beams, and paint those if you like to slow down the rust. And that's it for this job. When I just found another hole here, which we can try to, ooh, the bed liner. So my bed liner has a hole in it somewhere. It's letting water in there. Or somehow water's getting in there. I'm going to have to investigate that too.